Hi everybody, Marilyn here with Cotton and Chocolate, and this is Saturday Sampler, and we're in color collage. And this is block 7 already, can you believe it? And the block is called Flora, and it's on page 17. And this is what the block looks like. Isn't that really pretty? And I have a big surprise for you because there's only 4 of them this month. I know. You're really happy. But even bigger surprise, some of you are looking ahead, and I'm very sorry to report, bad news, that this is your last month with 4 blocks. I know. I'm very sad about that. So anyway, so enjoy it while you can. But next month we have some big fun, a new block to do, the center. So it will be really fun and exciting. Anyway, so let's get on with the cutting. So the first fabric is Flora. Guess which one that is of your fabrics?
The floral?
The floral. Yes. I know you guys are getting really smart in 7 months of this. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut one strip 3.5 inches by the 21, and you're going to recut that into 4 3.5 inch E-squares. And then we're going to cut 2 3 7/8 inch strips and cut those into 8 3 7/8. Oh, there's my bing. 3 7/8 inch squares, and we're going to cut once 1/2 on the diagonal to get your half square triangles. And you'll get 16 of those for your F triangles. Then we're going to go back to our blue laurel, which we're familiar with that. And this one you're going to have a change for your squares. We're going to cut 1 2 5/8 inch. These are for your half square triangles, and cut those into 8 2 5/8 inch squares for your B squares. And then we're going to cut 2 4 1/4 inch strips, cut those into 8 4 1/4 inch squares, and you're going to cut those twice on the diagonal to get 32 G triangles, and those will look like that. Lime dappled, you're going to cut 1 4 1/4 inch strip, cut those into 4 4 1/4 inch squares, twice again on the diagonal into 16 G triangles that look like this. And then now on the sea mist, which is your solid, I do have a change, okay? So here they want you to cut 3 2 3/8 inch strips. Instead, I want you to cut 2 2 3/8 inch strips and cut those into 16 2 3/8 inch squares, okay? And then I want you to cut 1 2 5/8 inch strip and cut that into 8 2 5/8 inch squares. So the 2 5/8 is going to go for your half square triangles, and the other 16 2 3/8 are going to go for your B squares. All right, simple enough. That's your change. And then also out of that sea mist, you're going to cut 1 4 1/4 inch strip, and you're going to cut it into 4 4 1/4 inch squares, twice on the diagonal, to get your G triangles. You have lots of fabric. This is my baggie of fabrics left over. You have plenty of fabrics of all of them left over, but don't make a mistake. But you'll have left over if you do make a little error in your cutting. Okay, so I'll see you back here. We're going to get right into cutting or piecing our block. So I'll see you back here in a minute.